Hi everyone, I'm Peter and welcome back to Peterchannel. Okay, so now I got a video for tutorial to show you how to fix with the ice problem and with the Samsung fridge. Almost the model with the ice maker and snow ice. Then now I show you how to fix it and it's work perfect. Okay, let's start now. Please make sure subscribe, like, and hit the bell for the next new video. Okay, this one I just turned around power up about half an hour. So this ice master here, the drawer here is stuck in here. That's frozen. So the first thing you have to do is turn the power off, and then for a couple hours and take it out. And the other thing, if you do not use much about the ice at night time, you have to turn with the ice off here. Because the ice cube drop in here, continue to make it and drop in the ice master drawer here, and it's full, and then it build up, and then it hit touch in here, and it's stuck in here, and the ice not drop in the box, and then it's stuck in it and freeze frozen. So it's no ice. That's the problem. And when the fridge frozen, so that means the fans inside all work all the time. Work all the time inside. There's not reach to degree for the fan stop. So recommend you use with the power pole Wi-Fi switch in there and set up on the iPhone. And I use with the Wemo brand, and you can use with the whatever brand as long as you use the Wi-Fi and switch on off. For example, this one just switch on and the switch on. So there's no need to pull it out, because the electronics sometimes you have to turn the power off, otherwise sometimes stop working. And it's paused, and the other thing you have to check about the filter, water filter in here. Turn it on. If you see the red filter display, and the here you have to change with the water filter. It's now disappeared. It's okay. That's the new filter, so that's okay. So if it's on the display all the time here, you have to change every 6 months the water filter, or whenever the red light filter on, you can change. That's one. And the most important thing with the at the back of the fridge, you have to keep about 150 ml from the wall at the back of the fridge for the vent. Otherwise, it won't get ice. Make sure this at the back. And here you can adjust whatever for example 8 degree or C degree. You can just hold 3 seconds there, and you can set increase the degree or down or something. And on the left hand side freezer, inside freezer here, you can hold down 3 seconds and you can adjust. And when you change with the water filter, the new water filter, this alarm it, and when you change, the red LED, on here is the filter, and then you have to press the alarm here and press off, and then the red light filter disappear. That's set up reset for the new water filter. And after that, very important one, and you see here with the blue button here, that's for the reset button here. Sometimes stop working, the water not run well to the fridge, and then you won't get the ice cube. Okay, and then you turn the power on and hold it, press and hold it for about 10 seconds. That's for the reset button. It's the up to the right corner here with the blue one there. Okay, and check the filter, okay, and leave it for about few hours, and you will get ice. The children extension not good enough, a lot of with the ice make a problem. Okay, leave for about few hours, and it will get ice. Okay, so after leave for about few hours, and now we check, and it will have the ice there. And about the setting with the C degree, if you want to change to correspond now at the moment, I set up with the F degree. And if you want to change, just hold the top here, at the lighting here, and for 3 seconds, and come to the C degree there. You can actually this one, okay, one, and at the night time you can the ice off. So that means it's good. The ice in the box there not build up and stuck on the top, and the fridge frozen, the freezer frozen. Okay, so now check to the ice. Okay, it's got the ice here. Starting to have the ice. Just about a few hours. Okay, so that's all for this video, and please make sure subscribe and press the thumb up and hit the bell for the next new video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. You have a great day.